My video guide is dedicated to help you with getting rid of the online scam that is related to the site Grindeu.click. Grindeu.click is a new malicious website that may suddenly attack your browser. It attacks Google, Chrome, Firefox, and other browsers, both in Mac and in Windows computers. Grindeu.click tries to mislead you and to make you scared about the condition of your computer in order to make you download and install certain potentially unwanted software. So if you see these pop-ups by Grindeu.click, you should not interact with them. Don't ever download or install anything that these pop-ups ever suggest. If you click on this Stay Protected button integrated into the pop-up, you would simply be redirected to some other malicious site of a very bad reputation. And that site may force you into downloading malicious software. I would recommend that you research the system with Combo Cleaner antivirus. Please get it on the page combocleaner.com and start investigating your system with its help. After you successfully download and install Combo Cleaner, this is the way it looks like. By the way, Combo Cleaner is available both for Mac and for Windows computers. Combo Cleaner is initially in the trial mode. So click on Start Combo Scan button. First of all, the program should update its anti-malware database for proper detection and removal of any malware. Even in the trial mode, there are certain free features. They are Disk Cleaner, Big Files, and Duplicates. Even these three free features will help you to essentially improve the performance and the general speed of your computer. Combo Cleaner is powerful enough to detect and delete threats like adware, browser hijackers, ransomware, all sorts of unwanted pop-ups, browser redirections, online scam, and other threats. At the end of the scanning, you will see the full summary of all the threats which were found. You will be able to know their locations, but I recommend that you consider upgrading to Premium as the best solution to keep your computer free of any other threats.